In this video, I want to go over a little bit about our power modules. So, for example, in this page, what we have is a little bit about who comprises the team for this particular company. And we have built this using the basic modules right here, the standard modules, and we have used the photo module and the text editor. So this is the photo module, as you can see up top here, and then this is the text editor module, as you can see here. Now, there are many ways to build something like this that you see. You can do it like the way we've done, just like with our text editor and our photo, or you can use our advanced modules that you will find under the power modules and you'll find under ultimate blocks. A lot of these that you'll find in here, they will do similar things, with the exception of maybe one or two things are a little bit different. Some modules will give you something more that others do not have, and so on and forth. So, for example, under ultimate blocks, there is a module here called team right there. And I can use this module to replicate what I've done here with the basic modules as well. So let's just drag one in here and drop it down here, and let's take a look. So it's going to ask me what I want to, the image for this person. So that's pretty easy. I can either use a URL or I can upload from the media library, upload files here, and I can choose something that I previously uploaded. That's fine. So let's click on this, for example, click on that. And as you see, what we've done previously here is a circle. So I can do image type, circle. I can select that. And then I know it's a little large right now, but we just continue on and you see how we can make it a little smaller. And then here, let's see, under information, I can change her name. And I can give a particular designation to this person, or whatever this person does. I can give a little description about this person right here if I want to, or tell about what this person does. Or if I don't have that, I can just remove it as well. And that's it. That's pretty simple. And now if I want to add, I've got how many more people over here, I can just simply duplicate this and move this block over to this side here, and automatically you can see everything becomes smaller. So if I want to go ahead and make fill this row out with 5 columns, I can just go ahead and duplicate it, keep duplicating it, and moving it to a new column, and Pageable will automatically resize everything and everybody to the correct size, as you can see right here. And this is I've rebuilt pretty much, and now all I need to do is just click on these and go back and change out the image of this person, and change out the name, which was under information, tree, accountant or whatever, and just continue doing it for the rest of these people right here. Now under power modules, there is also a team option over here. So let's just see how their team option works, or particularly how this team option works. So again, things are kind of laid out a little differently. For example, in this, we start with the image first. So we can go ahead and do that. Select the image. And where it says crop, I want a circle. And a lot of this is just basically going through all these different things and seeing what's in there. So again, we have name, and designation. And then over here, I can add whatever that I want to, any information about her if I want to. Good stuff. And it will appear under the name if I'm not mistaken. And if I want to link this particular person to a profile link on maybe Twitter, Facebook, or whatever, I can do that too. And here, unlike the other module, it doesn't have the separator already on by default. I can select yes or no. I can select where I want the separator to be, whether I want it to be under the name and designation, or I want it just below the title. Just different kinds of flexibility. And over here, I can also have icons for their email, for example, support at my site.com. And I have a Facebook URL here that I can add if I want to, and automatically you will see these tiny little icons being added to the bottom of her name, which, as you might have noticed, if we go over here, the Ultimate Blocks team block does not have that. Well, it does, and it just is moved to a different section, and you can select it yes or no here. Things are just laid out a little differently, and some of them just have different way of different designing style. So that's basically what you will find under the power modules and the ultimate blocks here, ultimate modules and ultimate blocks. You will see that a lot of them just do the same thing, and you can definitely rebuild any of these using the standard modules if you want to. Just sometimes you might find something that's styled a little nicer in a way that you like it a little bit more. So it truly is a matter of going through some of these modules and seeing what works for you best, or what works for this particular page the best.